This van weighs 2.2 tons. Using your own weight as a guide, how many Year 6 students would be needed to balance it? Okay, so we know that a scale balances when the objects on each side have the same weight. So we know that a van is a weight of 2.2 tons. Since there are 1,000 kilograms in 1 ton, we know this is 2,200 kilograms. Let's see how many Year 6 students would be needed to balance it. It says to use your own weight as a guide. Now, most Year 6 students are 40 to 50, maybe a bit more, maybe a bit less, but usually are sort of in that range. Let's use something like 50 kilograms. Let's say you're 50 kilograms, just because it's a nice round number. Now, if you're a little bit more, a little bit less, that wouldn't really affect our calculation, as I'll show you below. So, to balance out this 2,200 kilogram van, how many students would we need? Well, to find that, we need to divide 2,200 by 50. So let's do that here. Put our 50 here, and put our 2,200. Obviously, 50 times 4 is equal to 200. And we have 20 left over. We pull down the 0, and we get 4 again. 50 times 4 is 200, and that divides away perfectly with no remainder. So what that says is that it'll take us about 44 50 kilo kids to balance that van. So that's closest to 50, so we'd put A as the answer. But let's say you're a bit lighter. Let's say you're only 30 kilograms, for example. If you're 30 kilograms, we again need to divide that by 2,200. So put our 30 kilograms divided by 2,200. Now 30 times 7 is 210, giving us a remainder of 10. Let's pull down this 0. And you know that 30 times 3 is actually 90, giving us a little remainder of 10. So 10 on 30 is like 1 on 3. So 73 and a third. If you weighed only 30 kilos, it would actually take you 73 kids. Whereas with 50, we agreed that it would take 44. So if you're using your own weight as a guide, no matter if you weigh 50 or 30 kilos, the answer is still closest to 50, and so our answer is A.